Welcome to Coloring Your Hair with Madison Reed Radiant Cream Color. To find the correct processing time for you, refer to your instructions alongside this video. Start with dry, unwashed hair. The day after your last shampoo is best. Wear a shirt that opens in the front and have towels on hand. Always wear your gloves and conduct a sensitivity test 48 hours beforehand. Prep your hair by dividing, then clipping it into 4 separate sections. Apply the included barrier cream to prevent staining on your forehead, neck, and ears. Don't get the barrier cream on your hair, as that will block the color from your hair. Wash and dry your hands and put on the gloves provided. To use a bowl and brush for application, simply pour the contents of both the color and the conditioning color activator into a bowl and mix well using a brush. To begin application, unclip your first section and color your new growth, meaning your roots, using a bowl and brush. Work your way down in rows that are 1/4 inch apart, one section at a time. To use the activator bottle for application, puncture the color tube with its cap. Squeeze the color into the conditioning cream applicator bottle and shake to blend into a thick cream. To begin application, unclip your first section and color your new growth, meaning your roots, using the applicator bottle. Work your way down in rows that are 1/4 inch apart, one section at a time. Next, color your mid-lengths and ends. Starting where your roots stop, continue with each section of hair. Massage the color down your entire length of your hair to the ends, using a wide-tooth comb or fingers to distribute evenly. Put on the cap provided. When your processing time is up, rinse your hair until the water runs clear. Then shampoo, condition, and enjoy your gorgeous new hair color.